Everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, in this video I will discuss about my strategies to score exemptions in the all level of costings. You can say that in inter and final on the costing subject I have scored the exemptions. In final I have taken the self study and easily scored the exemptions. So in this video I will discuss about my strategies which I have followed during my study. So guys, first of all, in CMA Inter paper number 8, in paper number 10 and paper number 15 of CMA final, I have scored the exemptions. And so guys, what will be my strategies? So guys, whenever I did my, you can say the costing and all the subjects, so the first priority for me, study material. For practical questions, I complete all the practical questions of costing available in study material. I prepared the two registers. One, you can say that the Makhan register means in which you can say that there in a clear and cut manner I prepared all the questions, okay, which whenever I revise the question and while doing the practice I facing the problem, then I'll see the registers and resolve my queries. Okay guys, so you also need to maintain two register. One, you can say that in a clear manner there will be no mismatch, okay, and one is a rough registers. If you are revising, if you are practicing, so that this rough register will work for you, okay. And if you are doing this revision, if you face the problem, then you need to say your main register. So guys, this will be helpful to you. So my strategy, first I complete all the practical questions available from study material. Mostly student did not understand the importance of study material. Again and again the rank holders, the qualified CMAs are suggesting to a student, please focus on study material. I have also followed the strategy in all practical subjects, also in theoretical subject. But for theoretical subject, I buy some reference book which is beneficial for me to understand the you can say theoretical language. So guys, first I complete all the practical questions. Then after that I revise 2 times all the practical questions available in study material. Revise again and again means first time complete your study material, then 2 time revision you need to maintain. 2 register you need to maintain. One is your main register, in which if you face any problem in future during the exam as well as, so you need to see your main register, and the other register is for rough register, revising, practicing. This rough register will work for you, okay. First I will complete my 1 time all the practical questions, then 2 time revision. After completing this I will come up with the past year paper. So please understand the importance. Past year paper I revise again and again, then MTP, RTP, PTP available on the institute side. You can say solve all the practical questions, MTP, RTP, PTP, past year paper available on the institute websites, which benefit a lot to me to score exemptions in all the costing in CMA Inter and final. So this kind of strategies, lot many qualified CMA and rank holder also followed the same strategy, okay. They maintain 2 register, one is main and other one is rough register. Please, you can also make your own strategy, and if you like this strategy you can follow, and I can assure you that many benefit will occur to you while solving the questions and while attempting the paper as well as, okay. And now you guys talk about the theory subject. So theory subjects in CMA Inter I have taken the classes, so I usually use the you can say that study material provided by my coaching, okay. So I followed that for theory portions. Now in CMA final I have buy the reference book, which for CMA CA Rajiv Bhargav sir, I have bought the reference book, okay. So this is the strategy which I have followed to score the exemption, and I can see that costing is our main subject. Costing is our main subject, and if we have a good command over the costing subjects of CMA Inter and final, so which is beneficial in growing our career. So humble request, but we have to give the priority to all the subject. As you know that we have to score the 40 marks in every subject, so please give the importance. But our main subject, we are a cost and management accounting, so we have a more priority to costing subjects. Yes, costing is my core strength, okay. So this is the strategy which I have followed. I am, you can say, summarizing. 2 register you have to maintain. One is your main register, in which you cover each and every questions of practical questions of study material, okay. And second register is rough register, to revising, to solving the practical questions again and again, okay. So you have to maintain 2 register. For theoretical subject, if you want to read from study material you can do, and you can also do for for theory of costing you can take the help from the reference book, okay. So yes, apart from this, with self study you can also score the exemptions, okay. I have understood that yes, in CMA Inter if I took the self study easily I have also scored the exemption. So this strategy I have applied in CMA final as well as I never take the class in CMA final for costing. So yes, easily scored the exemption. So apart from this, if you have facing the problem in any particular subject, I will also make such kind of videos. Okay, so please give the importance to study material, first priority to your study material, then the past year papers, you can say that, and model paper which is available on the institute sites. Okay, from my side that's all about in this video, and I will bring such kind of more videos to motivate you and give my strategy so that you can also get benefited. Apart from this, you can also ask me any questions in which you are facing the problem. From my side that's all about in this video. Bye guys.